What skills does Ian have? Is that what you're asking?
Mine's better. I have a PSP.
How do you know what you have? Oh. I felt like you knew what you had and you didn't even have it forget.
I don't want to hurt my box. I don't want to hurt it. You hurt your box. Jeez.
It's because it just didn't open fast enough. I can't believe I got a freaking camera and a freaking laptop for Christmas. What? It's like, yes, thank you, Santa. I know. I'm Stevie Mirror.
Come here, Mom. Tiki tiki.
I can put just own pictures of my Amber, stop. It's my hair.